Hello, my name is Pankaj Chiranya and by profession I am an architect. We are into architectural practice, interior designing, landscaping, and we are working in this field since 2002. Along with this architectural practice, we are also coming up with an online platform named Building Caretakers, wherein we would be creating teams in various cities and providing building repair services in various cities. For that, we have started for creation of an online application. So I have joined the Passionpreneur journey, and the challenges which we are facing right now is number one is the lead generation. So creating marketing strategies, creating lead funnels, like funnels for creating and grabbing the customers. The another challenge that we are facing is creating teams in various cities, training them. That is another big challenge. The new challenge which we are facing is creating a proper system to run this business. We want this business to run on an autopilot mode. So that is something, a challenge that we are looking forward in this journey. Hello everyone, this is Pankaj Chiranya here, and it's complete 1 month of the Passionpreneur journey. And how far I am here, whatever I did in this one session is I've started with writing the book, and the name of the book which would be coming up is creating my own paradise on earth. That is the book, and started with it, daily working on it. Number 2 is the clarity of mission and vision statement. That is where I am right now. I have created flyers for that and working on step by step on my mission. And the third part is the micro niche. Clarity of micro niche is very clear, and I'm on the path to work on it. Fourth thing is I've far way coming up in video creation, daily having something on my social media, recording my niche. So this is a big breakthrough for me, and I would be creating a tsunami for that in coming few days. So that is for me. Having the clarity of my customer avatar, I have started interviewing almost 23 people have been interviewed till today, and I've been having the clarity about the problems people are facing, the questions they frequently ask, the roadblocks that is there, and the results. So almost 73 questions I could come up with, or I got it through the interviews, that gave a very crystal clear clarity about what I need to focus upon. Daily rituals, that is the gratitude, that is imagination, that is visualization, exercising, and reading the books, that I am consistently following it and could see massive results in my way of being. And the ultimate challenge, that is the PPD Fit challenge. I've stopped complete sugar since last 1 month, and that's a big challenge for me. I love sweets, and I need to weight it. I could say it's almost 2.5 kg that has been lost. So that's a big breakthrough for me. That was all from my side regarding my first month journey in this Passionpreneur Mastery course. Thank you, and looking forward for many more. Hello everyone, this is to record my journey in the 2nd month of Passionpreneur journey. And first of all, I really thank you Dev Gadhvi sir for his down to earth techniques, and he's really an awesome person, a gem of a person. I really thank my mentor Shruti Deshpande madam and all the group of mentors. We have our weekly sessions with them, and that is a big guiding pathway in this journey. I thank you, Taruna Madam. I thank you, Manoj Sharma ji, for their hard works that they are taking for us to be successful in this journey, and to my masterminding group and all the passionpreneurs who are in this journey for like helping each one of us to move ahead. So let me start with it. So regarding my health, I have lost 2 kgs plus in this 2 months with a challenge of no sugar, and the same thing is like with my son who is also taken the same challenge, and today when we weigh ourselves, he lost 3.5 kg plus in this 2 months. So that is a big bang. Next thing is like I've started creating frameworks for my webinar and all those things, and some of them are still in pipeline. So that is one big thing which I've never thought about, creating webinars or this thing. Most important thing is like I've been consistently regularly posting on social media, so which I never used to do. I used to do it very occasionally, once or twice a week, that's it. So now I'm putting it daily and making it that it has been done, and I've started I'm receiving likes, followers are increasing. That is a big bang for me. And one important ingredient in all this thing is which Dev Gadhvi sir taught us is about the persuasion. So I'll be using this technique and creating more big bangs in this. Hello everyone, all passionpreneurs. Hello. I thank you Dev Gadhvi sir for their guidance, for taking us on this journey, and it's a big bang for all of us. I thank you all the mentors, especially to Shruti Madam, to Manoj ji, Taruna ji, and all my masterminding group and all my passionpreneurs who have been a support for all of us in this journey of passionpreneurs. So let me start with the what I have accomplished in this 3 months. First of all, I have continued the challenge of my health regarding no sugar, and it's the end of 3rd month, and I have lost 4.5 kg. So that is a big bang. No sugars since first day. I have also published an ebook on Amazon for this. The topic of the ebook is Beat the Heat, and that is a big bang for me. I've never done it before. So thanks to Dev sir and all the Passionpreneur members who have supported me in this. One big bang is like I have started persuading my clients, my team, my people, and through this persuasion technique I have taken advance, which I've never used to do for some of our projects. So I've taken an advance of rupees 1 lakh plus, and that is through the techniques of persuasion which has been taught to us by Dev sir. So hats off to him. Next bang is regarding my masterminding group call that has been happening, and with the help of these people we are coming up like some more techniques, some more ways how we can overcome our challenges and everything.